Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. Tereng tereng tereng. So today we will answer interesting questions again about how to use these functions. So modify the make search function so that search are large by default with a message that reads I love Python. Make a large search and medium search with the default message and a search of any size with different message. How to use this? So the first one is using functions. Okay, first we just add def and then make sure and then wait a minute, with size, and then by default is all large, that is, and then the message and the parameter is I love Python. I love Python. Okay, then and then we just have print and then have maybe my size is size, and then and sentence and message, I mean. Wait a minute, because this is the default. Wait a minute, the default. Okay, the default, and then a large search and medium search with the default message, and then you just add a search, and then this is large by default, and then you just add your new argument that is size is medium, and then the output by default message is I love Python. But if I make search and then size is size, I'm sorry, this and then extra large, maybe large, and then default message I love math, and then what's the output will be. So I'm sorry, the first one is make sure only because I want output is large and I love Python. The second one is size, my size in medium is medium and I love Python, and the third one is my size is extra large and I love math. The second one, medium, I want this, and then and then you can calling your code by this. Then this is how we solve the questions. So what's the difference this question with the last questions? So the difference is in the parameter you can add by default what the meaning is argument. This is the argument, right? This argument because the information that can be passed to your functions, and then that's why it's very easy for us to expect that the output will be my size is large and I love Python. But if we have some changes just only for the size, we just add the size medium. So by default the message will be I love button, because this is like parameter and then this argument. And then if one to changes all of the argument, so we just add like before. This is the name is what is the keywords argument. So that's why the output will be my size is extra large and I love math. That's why. So the component is, because this is by default, will be output large and I love Python. It's make easier for us to just add by default and then how to change this the little bits. This code is much more easier for us. Okay, then don't forget to add to your terminal to your GitHub, and then maybe wait a minute. Okay, okay. Wait a minute. I default value. I default. Okay, then it's very easy. Okay, let's try another questions. Bye.